Hello everyone, you're welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to look at solutions to the questions on ordering of fractions and conversion of fraction from decimal, from fractions to decimal, fractions to percentages, and vice versa. So that's what we want to look at. So the first question uh, is on fraction to decimal. So the question says, express 2/7 as a decimal to 3 decimal places. So that means we're going to divide uh, 7 by 2, 2 by 7 rather. So, and that will give us 0 points. So when you use a calculator, you get 0.28 571 571 4 2 8 5. So we have this, but the question answer was to leave it at 3 decimal places. So that means we're going to have 0.28. So the 5 is the third decimal place there. And because this 7 is more than 5, add 1 to 5. So that's going to be 286. 0.286. And that is option A. I hope that is very clear. Then go to number 2. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? So this is under ordering. This one is under ordering. So that's going to all the options out. Let's write them out. 1/4, 2/5, 1/2, and then 1/8. So what we're going to do to know the one that is smallest, let's find the LCM of 4, 5, 2, and then 8. And that is going to be 40. Let's find it here. So let's use this method. Alright, so we have 4, 5, 2, 8. 2 can go to 5, 1, 4. 2 can still go 1, 5, 1. 2 can still go 1, 5, 1, 1. The 5 can go 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5 is what? 40. So 40 divided by 4, that is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. That's the first one. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Then 40 divided by 2 is 20. 8 times 1 is 20. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 1 is what? 5. So which among these number is the smallest? The smallest number is 5. And that's actually 1/8. So which means the smallest number here is 1/8. And that is option D. I hope that is very clear. So let's go to question 3. For question 3, so we have express 9/50 as a percentage. So as a percentage, you just multiply by 100. So 50 here 1, 50 here 2. 2 times 9 is what? That is going to give us 18%. And that is option C. Then for question 4. For question 4, so we have express 0.25 as a fraction. So if you want to change decimal to fraction, what we're expected to do, write out the whole number in that decimal, which is 25, divided by 1. So how many digits do you have after the decimal point? We have 2 digits. So we add 2 zeros. So we can then reduce this one to simplest form. So 25 can go here 1, 25 can go here, that is 4. So that is 1/4, that's option A. But another thing you need to take note of under this one is that, for example, you might have 1.05. Then I have to change this one to fraction. So what you are going to consider everything here as 105, ignoring the decimal point, all over 1. So how many digits after decimal point? You have 2 digits, add to 0. You can then reduce this one to its lowest 5 can go 2, 21, and 5 can go here is 20. So this will give us one whole number 1 all over what 20. I hope this is not part of the question, just bringing out to do explanation. So we go to question 5 now. We've done question 4, question 5. Arrange the following fractions in descending order of magnitude. We are going to do the way we did question number 2. So we have 1 over 4, 1 over 2, 4 over 5, right? 7 over 10, and then we have 3 over 8. Alright, so the same thing, we're going to find the LCM. So let's find the SM of the numbers. We have 4, we have 2, 5, 10, 8. So 2 can go 2, 1, 5, 5, 4. 2 can still go 1, 1, 5, 5, 2. 2 can still go 1, 1, 5, 5, 1. So 5 can go 1, 1, 1. So that's also what 40. So 40 divided by 4 is 10 times 1, that is 10. 80 divided by 4, 40, 40 divided by 2, that is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Then 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. And then 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 28. Then is 3. Is 3. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So from here now, let's now arrange. In descending order, we start with the highest one. So the highest number here is 32, and that has to do with this one. This one is this. This is this. This is this, and this is this. So the first one here is 4 over 5, which is 32, followed by 7 over 10, followed by 21 over 2, followed by 15, 3 over 8, and 1 over 4. So which one gives us 4 over 7, 4 over 5, 7 over 10, 1 over 2, 3 over 8, and 1 over 4. That is option B. How this is very clear. So let's go to question 6. For question 6, 72% expressed as a fraction. So we want to change this fraction percentage to fraction. So 72%, the same thing as I think 72 over 100. So we just reduce this to its lowest term. That's what we're going to do. So 2 can go in 7, that is 3. And then 1, that is going to be what? 2 in 6, in 12, that is 6, all over 50. 2 can still go, that is 1, and then 1, 2 in 18, 2 in 16, 8, all over 2 here, 25. So what else can go? 3 can go in 18, but 3 cannot go in 25. So the answer is 18 over 25. That is option D. Number 7. Number 7. What is 30% of 200? So 30% of 200 means 30 over 100 times 200. So 0 cancel what? 0. That's going to be 60. That is 60. So 30 times 2 gives 60. That is option C. Okay. Number 8. Alright, number 8, we have express 75% as a fraction in simplest form. The same thing, 75%, which means 75 over 100. 25 can go here, 25 can go over 4. So that is 3 over 4. That is option G. Number 9, subtract 0.3 from 1.2. That means 1.2 minus 0.3. express rate as a percentage. So 1.2 minus 0.3 gives us 0.9. So we have to express it as a percentage. Just multiply by 100, that gives us 90%. So that is option D. Then the last question here, last question we have here, we have subtract 0.25 from 1.7, so that's 1.75 minus 0.25. So this will give us 1.45. And express your number answer as a fraction. So we change this one to fraction, that's going to be 15 all over 10. And this will give us 583, 582, 582. That gives 3 over 2, and that is option D. I hope this is very clear. So this is everything